Marlo Russum, Associate Creative Director.
Caroline Kaplan, Copywriter.
William Lukács, Senior Art Director.
Monica Ruiz, Senior Digital Marketing Strategist.
Dex Mission, Senior UX Director.
Shireen Irani, Media Director.
Drew Shuttler, Digital Marketing Specialist.
Our team lives and breathes tourism. First, you have Katie, whose strategic direction is always on point. And then you add her love of travel. She's been to 5 continents. It's crazy. She really inspires us in what we do every day. She, Dale, and I have been working together in travel and hospitality for over 10 years. And it really comes out in the work.
I've learned so much about travel writing working with Marlo and Dale. Marlo's manifestos are on point. When she reads a script or presents a brand position tone and voice, let's just say we've seen clients get goosebumps and even cry.
Caroline is an amazing writer. You always know when she's in the zone. She's listening to Taylor Swift and knocking out 1,200-word articles like this.
So we'll be brainstorming, and Monica will come in with all these great ideas for social based on latest technologies. And then Dale will come in, and he'll of course have his aha moment, and he'll take it to the next level.
The best was the AR portal for Facebook. Oh, and the selfie towel bus shelter.
Yes.
Monica's our social guru.
Monica and I are 2 peas in a pod. Sometimes we even dress the same at work. It's become a thing, and we don't even plan it. She really is such a pro. I mean, Facebook even did a case study about one of her optimization projects for our tourism client. I mean, that's how great she is. Facebook notices her.
So as creatives, you're coming up with ideas from the gut, like what feels right. So Dex comes in, he takes our ideas, he tests them against the personas he's created, comes back, sometimes we're on, sometimes we're a little off, we make the adjustments.
Then we present our winning ideas to our client.
If you want the biggest bang for your buck, Shireen is the person to make it happen.
The data shows her where the travel decisions are being made, and she builds the perfect plan for our tourism clients.
We don't call her the media queen for nothing. Over the years, Shireen has built relationships with the biggest vendors, domestic and international. The way she negotiates to get what she wants, it is the stuff of legends.
Because of Shireen's established relationships with our vendors, she often has first dibs on these great new media technologies. So she brings them back to us, and we're able to apply them and create some really new and exciting work.
Carrie and I worked together prior to Starmark. We managed a marketing program with an expenditure of $1 million a week in over 40 markets, and we never skipped a beat.
Carrie really knows the travel and hospitality industry segments. Leisure, groups, sports, pre and post cruise, multicultural, all of them.
Love her.
Everything we do is driven by data and science.
Andy is our secret weapon.
Andy does these crazy deep predictive analyses.
I think he's psychic.
He'll tell you everything you ever wanted to know about numbers, and he does it all with the thickest Boston accent you've ever heard. Sometimes Brett has to translate.
Now hold on, Drew. When we take in tourist data, we develop models that give us statistically significant
patterns.
Dex and Andy use research and data to make us all look better. From customer databases to mining website traffic, these data sources help Dex create amazing personas. But none of this would be possible without Brett. He leads all our digital efforts, our media, technology, web and app development, e-commerce. Oh, and he also holds 2 patents.
I love working with Brett in the lab. We get to play with all the coolest new toys. Oh, hey, Brett.
Hey, Dex. Do avatars need sunscreen?